Want to change the bulb of your oven? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new bulb. Step 1. Remove the old bulb. Open the door, unscrew the light cover. Now turn or pull out the light bulb. Step 2. Put in the new bulb. Turn or push the new light bulb back in place of the old one. Now turn the light cover back into place. You can now close the door again. You have replaced the bulb and the oven is ready to use again.